The BTMETER 6688T industrial electrical tester is a versatile and robust instrument, serving as a reliable companion for professionals navigating the complex world of electrical systems. It's more than just a multimeter. It's a diagnostic wizard, capable of measuring a wide range of parameters including 2000-volt AC/DC voltage, current, frequency, resistance, and capacitance. Moreover, this device is equipped with advanced features like a low-pass filter and low impedance lows, which are crucial for troubleshooting variable frequency drives and ghost voltages, respectively. Consequently, it's an indispensable tool for electricians and technicians working in challenging industrial environments. Its 6,000 count display offers high precision, and its ability to capture peak and min-max values allows for the analysis of voltage fluctuations, thereby painting a more complete picture of an electrical circuit's behavior. Ultimately, the BTMETER 6688T industrial electrical tester is the ultimate key to unlocking the secrets of intricate electrical networks. In addition to its wide range of measurement capabilities, the BTMETER 6688T is a testament to user-centric design and durability. It feels like a shield in your hand, protecting you from the uncertainties of electrical work with its rugged, drop-resistant casing. Furthermore, its intuitive interface, with clearly labeled functions and a bright, backlit display, ensures that even in dimly lit conditions, you can read your measurements with ease. Its continuity test acts as a reliable flashlight, swiftly guiding you through circuits to find breaks or shorts. And its non-contact voltage detection is a silent sentry, alerting you to live wires before you even touch them. Although it's packed with advanced features, the BTMETER 6688T remains surprisingly simple to operate, ensuring that you can focus on the task at hand rather than wrestling with the tool itself. Therefore, it's not just a tool, but an extension of your expertise, allowing you to work smarter and safer. Beyond its core functionalities and user-friendly design, the BTMETER 6688T industrial electrical tester is an investment in both efficiency and safety. Because it can measure a high voltage of up to 2000 V, it stands as a guardian against high power hazards, giving you the confidence to tackle high-voltage applications with a single device. Subsequently, this saves both time and the need for multiple instruments. Its capacitance and frequency measurement capabilities, in conjunction with its voltage and current measurements, provide a holistic view of a circuit's performance. Consequently, you're not just seeing individual data points but rather understanding the entire flow of energy. Nevertheless, despite all its power, it maintains a compact form factor, so it can easily fit into a toolbox or belt. In conclusion, this multimeter is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a powerful compass, guiding you through the complex landscapes of electrical systems with accuracy and peace of mind. Pros: negligible variance, many functions, excellent value for the price, very lightweight, fits in a hard case, confident in readings, tested side by side with a fluke, reliable, great for the cost. Cons: somewhat bulky, included case is very cheap, thin zippered pouch for case features. 6,000 count display, measures 2000 volt AC/DC voltage, measures AC/DC current, measures resistance, continuity, capacitance, measures frequency and temperature, low pass filter, LPF, low impedance, lows, mode, peak min, max value capture, data hold and auto power off, true RMS for accurate AC readings. The BTMETER Professional Multimeter 6688T is a versatile industrial electrical tester. It features a 6,000 count display and can measure high AC/DC voltages up to 2000 V. This device also measures AC/DC current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. Advanced functions like a low-pass filter, LPF, and low impedance, LOS, mode are included. It has peak min-max value capture and a data hold function. The multimeter also offers true RMS for accurate AC measurements and includes an auto power-off feature. The BTMETER Professional Multimeter 6688T is a reliable and accurate electrical tester that offers excellent value for its price. It features a wide range of functions, including measuring AC/DC voltage up to 2000 V, current, frequency, resistance, and capacitance, along with specialized features like a low-pass filter, LOZ, and peak per minute, max readings. Despite being lightweight and fitting in a hard case, some users found it to be somewhat bulky, and the included thin zippered pouch is noted as being cheap. Nevertheless, it provides confident readings, having been tested side by side with a Fluke, making it a dependable choice for professionals and hobbyists on a budget.